Welcome sa FC09.com. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba mag-factor ng difference of two squares. No? For example, ano ibig sabihin ng difference of two squares? Meron kang dalawang perfect square, for example, x squared at saka 5 squared, or x squared and 25. So 5 squared is 25. Paano may i-factor yung difference niyan? X squared minus 25. So, anong factor niyan? So, pag meron tayong ganitong form, yung a squared minus b squared, ang factor niyan ay a plus b times a minus b. No? So, pag meron tayong a squared minus b squared, ang factor niya is a plus b times a minus b. So, pag nag-a plus b times a minus b kasi tayo, magiging, pag minultiply natin yan, magiging a times a is a squared. And then, we have the outside term minus ab. And then, the inner term, or the inside term, we have plus ab. And then, the last term, which is b squared minus b squared. So, magka-cancel out ito, mangyari maging a squared minus b squared. So, anything of the form of the form a squared minus b squared can be factored by a plus b times a minus b. So, kukunin muna natin yung a. If this is a squared, a is the square root. So, magiging x, tapos yung isa, ang square niya is 25. Ang square ng 25 is 5. So, this is x plus 5 times x minus 5. No? Ito na yung factor niya. Okay, so this is our first example. Our second example, what is 4y squared minus 9? So this is a perfect square. So ibig sabihin difference of two squares siya, magiging equal to, of course this is still factory, tanong natin. 4y squared is 2y, and then yung 9 is 3. So we have 2y plus 3 times 2y minus 3. Number 3 is what is x cubed minus x. So hindi siya, wala kang makikitang perfect square, but you can actually factor x. Yung x natin, pwede natin i-factor out. This becomes, this is still factor. This becomes x times x squared minus 1, diba? And this is sum and difference of two squares, which is, this one is a square, and this is also a square. So x times quantity, this is x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay. Last example, we have what is 27y squared minus 16x squared, no? Oh, sorry. This is not the difference of two squares. So maybe this is 36y squared minus 16x squared. So, kunin natin square root. This is 6y. And then this is 4x. So we have 6x plus, or 6y plus 4x times quantity 6y minus 4x. And again, the question here is still, what's the factor? It's for number 4. Okay, so I think that's it. Very easy naman ito. Yung lahat lang ng the form a squared minus b squared can be factored as a plus b times a minus b. So, maraming salamat. invite FC09.com, and of course, if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click the subscribe button.